Alright guys, so I've got a 12 by 12 canvas here, and what I'm doing is I've got some glow-in-the-dark paint left over, not much. I got my colors here left over from a swipe that I had done. I've got teal, pink, and there's not really much, violet, and then there's some yellow medium. And they all have silicone, and except the glow-in-the-dark color. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to do a flip cup on the canvas and use that up and just see what happens. So I'm going to start with some white. Then I'm going to put a purple in there. And like I said, there's not much. I'm just kind of experimenting. My colors are all mixed with Liquitex, if I didn't say that yet. Let's see, I will go with the teal next. Okay, I'll put some glow-in-the-dark color in there. Not much of that at all. And pink. All these colors are from the Fine Touch except the glow-in-the-dark, and the glow-in-the-dark was a Craftsmart that my husband picked up. Thought it would be cool to try, so we're giving it a try. Use it all up. Alright. Then I'm just going to go ahead and put a little white just to cover the top. Which technically I guess this is called a sandwich pour also. And I'm just going to flip it on there. I normally don't do it that way. I normally just turn it over, but did it a little different today. So I'm just going to fill this all in. Alright guys, so I'm going to go in for the close-up. These colors look really cool. There's just tons of cells everywhere. Alright, I really like this a lot. Alright you guys, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, check out the links in my description, and have a great day. Alright guys, so here it is in the dark. Pretty cool.